Welcome back, Hotelier. Food and beverage, standard operating procedures and understanding the departmental policies. Chapter 7, Part 120. How to treat friends and family utilizing hotel facilities. Extending hospitality to friends and family utilizing hotel facilities requires a delicate balance of warmth and professionalism. Our commitment to providing exceptional experiences remains unwavering, even when our esteemed guests are our closest companions. Exquisite parity, a universal approach. Uniform treatment. Every guest, regardless of their relationship, is accorded the same level of hospitality. Friends and family are no exception to this principle, as they encounter the same level of respect, courtesy, and service as any other guest. Subtlety and affection, crafting memorable moments. Discreet gestures. Rather than ostentatious displays, subtle and thoughtful touches are preferred. A small tray of extra chocolates or a personalized note can evoke warmth without disrupting the ambience of our spaces. Balancing attention. While attending to friends and family, it's essential to maintain a seamless balance with other guests. Ensuring that their experience is not compromised while cherishing the presence of loved ones reflects our dedication to providing harmonious service. Creating cherished memories, ethereal experiences. Our friends and family find themselves immersed in a world where cherished bonds blend seamlessly with exceptional experiences. With each interaction, every detail, and every culinary masterpiece, we weave a tapestry of memories that transcend mere visits. Whether they are our nearest and dearest or patrons from afar, our commitment to excellence remains unswerving. As friends and family explore the hotel facilities, they are enveloped in an atmosphere where comfort meets sophistication, where opulence converges with authenticity. We offer not just a stay or a meal, but an experience that resonates with their personal desires, embodying the essence of our signature hospitality. As custodians of connections and creators of captivating moments, we harmoniously intertwine the familial and the professional, ensuring that our cherished guests leave with their hearts full and their spirits uplifted. Thanks for watching my video. If you had a good time, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future content. Your support means a lot to me. Take care and stay curious.